Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you all charging methods for your headphones JBL Tune 520. And the first one is to use an adapter and USB-C cable. Connect adapter to the power and at the right ear cup at the top we have USB-C port. So connect USB-C cable right at this port. And then at the bottom of the right ear cup we can see this LED light. So it means that it's charging. Also we can use the phone to charge our headphones, and all you need to have is just USB-C to USB-C cable. But if your phone do not support USB-C, maybe you should have Lightning to USB-C or even micro USB to USB-C. Now connect USB-C cable to your phone and the second one to USB-C port at the right ear cup. And again we should check the LED light. Yeah, we have it. So it means that it's also charged. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.